So, I've been thinking about getting a Dremel tool for, I don't know, the past couple of months, and I kept going back and forwards in the variable options. For a long time I thought I'll pick up the Dremel, the actual Dremel tool. I was considering the 3000 or 4000 or 4200, I think. But in the end, I decided to go with this thing. It's a PowerPlus. Actually pretty much fell in my hands as I found it at a pawn shop again, but it looks in pretty good shape, and yeah, and it came with this set of bits, and yeah. Anyhow, I got this for $31.50 together with the bit set, and the bit set alone I think was new 20 euros or something like that. So I would say a pretty good deal. So yeah, it comes like this. It has a couple of things missing. I think it has the stand missing. I think it should be here, and I don't see the tool to open it up, but it probably is a standard size, so I'll find something to exchange it with. And the stand also is not an issue, as I don't know if you've noticed, but I actually made a somewhat tool wall over here, so I'll basically simply screw in the extra screw and hang it somewhere here. You won't be able to see it anyways, but yeah. So yeah, here's the extension. This is the PowerPlus POWE80060 Rotary multi-tool. Here's the information. Looks like this. There's something attached. I think this was for polishing. All in all, from what I checked, from the specs at least, this PowerPlus tool should be something in between Dremel 3000 and 4000, I think. Considering the power specs and everything, I'll make a table and put it somewhere there, as it also has this extension. Yeah, which does not come included with the Dremel 3000. So yeah, I think it was like 55 euros, and 4000 was about 100. So I got all of this for 31.50. So even if it doesn't last for a long time, I think I will anyhow grab the bit set, probably. If not this, then a similar one. If it's new, 20 euros, I think. Let's check if everything's here. So there are a couple of things missing, like here, but overall almost everything's there. I think there's actually something extra, as this thing I don't think comes with extension, and all of the spots are full here, so yeah. But anyhow, if I'd have to evaluate it, I would say still 15 euros are here. 1/4 is missing or used or something like that. Let's see the polishing. In the polishing mass, or what do you call it, is here. Yeah, I would say 15 euros, probably 1/4 of a discount. So if I consider this 15 euros, I'd say I got this for 16.50 actually. So yeah, for 16.50, when have you grabbed one? Considering a normal Dremel is 50 or 60 euros starting from. But yeah, let's check it if it works though. at the beginning the button got, I don't know, stuck or something. But now it goes okay. I don't know, hope it won't happen again. Yeah, here's the power button. And it has 6 speeds, I think, or 7. What do you consider? It has the 6, but after that there's still max. So I don't know if max is an extra speed or is that simply an indicator that that's it. But anyhow, 6 or 7 speeds, I'd say. All in all, looks pretty good. For 16 euros, what can I expect? But I think it new is like 40 or something like that. But yeah, so if I've had only the Dremel for 31, it would be pretty close to a new one, and probably I'll simply grab a new one. As 9 euro difference for, and I get the warranty and the stand and everything like that. It's a no-brainer, but considering I also got this, it was also a no-brainer to grab this one used. Even if used, it still has I think 12 months warranty, as it's considered slightly used only. So if something happens to it, I can still return it, or I don't know how it works with a pawn shop, but I guess I can return it if it dies suddenly. I will actually need to educate myself, as I don't know what a lot of bits do here. So yeah, it will be a learning process for me. I obviously knew the standard ones. Yeah, there are a lot of polishing bits and extensions and so on. I don't need them at the moment, as I don't have anything to polish. But still useful if I'll need it. Let's just take this one. It's just standard round, I'd say. Hope you can see it. I'd call it a carving bit, probably. That's the right size. Let's give it a test. So my kids were asking for a toy phone, so I'll make it. So this will be a really basic design. Will look something like this. So let's give it a shot. Almost forgot. I finally found my safety glasses. They're quite scratched up, but it's better than losing your eye. Safety first. So it works. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. I engraved the balance on the phone. Why I made it a bit oversized is basically I'll just cut off these pieces. So yeah. But oh no, that's more or less it. I'll sand it, and I think I'll either stain it or oil it afterwards so it holds up longer. But yeah, it works. That's good. I have a lot of fun with it. Probably if you're interested in seeing future things I'll make with it, come on, subscribe. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. I can always use a good idea. So yeah, I think that's it for me this time. So yeah, subscribe, leave a like, and see you next time.